Good afternoon, everybody. We are working on a 2016 Ram 1500 3.0 liter Ecodiesel today. I'm going to check for tightness the battery connections on the starter. I'm having an issue right now with a push button push. Give me a good solid click and then no start. After I push it, probably 5 or 10 times it'll start, but it's kind of a weak, it turns over fairly weak. Battery's got good juice, everything like that. So next I'm going to diagnose this starter, see if it has any loose connections, maybe something, a corroded ground, something like that. So what we start off with, get everybody caught up. You want to remove the wheel, and then that's all I've done so far. Next we're going to pull this liner out, this wheel liner, and then the starter should be right in front of us. Before we get into the starter, we will make sure that we disconnect the battery terminal. So the first thing we're going to do is remove all of these 5/16 bolts, and then we'll wheel sensor was held on to the back side of the wheel liner. If you look in here, let me see if I can get a better look here. Right there, you can see the starter right here. So let's go ahead and, oh, looks like we have a loose connection. Perfect. Maybe we won't have to do nothing. What I did was I tightened up the battery cable nut on there with a 13mm ratcheting wrench, and then I'm going to put the battery cable back on using on the battery itself using a 10mm wrench, and then we'll test the truck to see if it'll fire up first try. Key fob right here. Put it there. I'm going to push the brake. Looks like it fired up first try. So, looks like problem solved. Maybe. I'll check in a couple days.